up, y'all? It's your girl Tia, and I'm back with another video.
Welcome to Tia's world, welcome to Tia's world. Got my 4 boys with me and we bout to see the world. Welcome to Tia's world, welcome to Tia's world. I got 4 boys with me and they bout to see the world. I got Jeremiah, Kaiser, Cairo, and Zion. Jeremiah, Kaiser, Cairo, and Zion. Jeremiah, Kaiser, Cairo, and Zion. Welcome to Tia's world, welcome to Tia's world. I got my 4 boys with me, bout to see the world. Welcome to Tia's world, welcome to Tia's world. I got my 4 boys with me, we bout to see the world. Yeah, we bout to see the world. Welcome to Tia's world. Like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe.
Okay, y'all. So, sorry it's been a couple of days. I've just been trying to get some things together here at home. Oh, I'm out of breath already. But I'm cooking right now, and I'm gonna do my hair tonight. So I'm gonna show you guys, well, I'll show you guys after this clip what I'm cooking. I'm just doing some stir-fried chicken, some stuffed chicken, again, because I made it the other day, and it was so good. So I'm making it again today with some mashed potatoes and corn and side of salad, and some, just basically some chopped chicken to put in the salad. And the boys kind of like that, you know, with their food. So I give them kind of just the chopped chicken, stir-fried chicken with the salad, and mashed potatoes and corn, and then I'll just have the stuffed chicken. They can eat that if they want, but they're more pickier, so it's a lot of ingredients in the stuffed chicken. If you haven't, you can go check out my last video. I put the I showed how I made it somewhat in that video, so you guys can go check that video out. But yeah, so I'm gonna do my hair today, guys. So I'm gonna get it together. So you guys will probably see that later on after this clip, after I show you guys what I'm cooking for dinner. That's their table. I kind of put it up to get it out of the way. Cairo's asleep right now. The boys are on their way home from school. They should be here like any minute. So I just been cleaning all day today. I didn't even pick up the camera because I had to get some paperwork done and a few things situated. Oh, my address is not on there. Just some things. My sister's been ordering a few things for the baby, so things have just been coming in, and I'm so thankful. I love my family so much. So appreciative to them. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just cooking. It's later on in the evening. It's around 4 o'clock. So I am going to I'm just trying to prep the, I was just trying to clean up while they were in school, trying to get a lot of things done, thoroughly clean my closet out, and kind of get rid of a lot of stuff from the holiday orders that I did and never just kind of went through and cleaned that area. I just kind of just left it, glitter and etc. So I was just doing that all day today. So, and washing clothes. So I'm gonna finish cooking. I'll show you guys what everything looks like once it's done, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get into this hair. I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna rinse it, because my hair is like a sandy brown. I'll show y'all now. My hair, oh, it looks dry. My hair is like a, you guys can see it. It's so dry. You can't really tell on the camera, but it's really, really light. So it kind of looks dull. So I definitely want to, camera up. I definitely want to rinse my hair, jet black, and then I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna do my hair and another ponytail, and then I'm going to do I'm gonna make myself a wig, and then right before I have the baby, I'm gonna go and do braids. So I'm gonna be filming everything. I'm trying to get more into doing more like glam vlogs, beauty vlogs, things that I love doing. Just never really made the time for it. So I'm definitely gonna get more into doing some more videos like that. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys have your notifications on so you guys can be notified when I do upload any video, because sometimes they don't show you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tia. If you're not new, welcome back. Anywho, let's get right into this video. Let's get into this dinner. Let's get into this hair, and let's go. guys, my hair is done. I was gonna do makeup, but I'm gonna do makeup, but it's gonna be for like another video. But this is how I just do my hair really quickly, slick, sleek bun. I did a messy bun because I got stuff to do and I don't feel like standing there perfecting it. But it looks better when it's messy anyway, to me. So my hair is done, and I'm ready to finish cleaning up. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini clip of me doing my hair. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.